everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Ever feel like your daily commute has turned into an unexpected bumpy roller coaster ride? Like your car is auditioning for a low-budget action film with all that bouncing around? If you're nodding along, you've landed in the right place. Guess what we're tackling today? That super annoying, teeth-chattering, feeling every pebble bouncy car ride. Let's be real, a bouncy car isn't just uncomfortable, it can actually mess with your car's handling, cause uneven wear across your tires, even compromise your safety on the road. So why does your smooth cruiser suddenly feel like your toddler's trying to use the back seat as a trampoline? Let's dive into the bumpy truth. Think of your car's suspension system as the unsung hero of your driving experience. It's designed to soak up all of those nasty shocks from the potholes and uneven roads. But just like any hardworking team, the smooth parts can wear over time, and that's when the smooth ride goes out the window. Here are some of the usual suspects we see here at Myles. First up, worn shocks and struts. These guys are like the shock absorbers to your car, literally. They control how much your springs bounce. When they're past their prime, your car will be bouncing up and down when you go over any bump. You might also notice your car leaning a lot when you turn. That's called body roll. Or the front end turning down when you turn sharply. That's called nosediving. Not a good look or a good feeling. Next, we've got sagging springs. These are the coil springs that actually support the weight of your car. Over time, especially with age and constant use on our Pennsylvania roads, they can lose their elasticity. This can lead to your car sitting lower than it should and feeling extra bouncy, especially when you hit those inevitable bumps. Then there are worn control arm bushings. These are like little cushions where your control arms, part of your suspension that keeps your wheels in place, connect to the main body of your car, the chassis. When these bushings wear out, they can't absorb vibrations properly. This translates to a much harsher, more bouncy ride. You might even hear some annoying clunking noises while you're going over bumps. Now, while also talked about with steering issues, failing ball joints can also contribute to a bumpy ride. These are like the hip and shoulder joints of your suspension system, allowing for smooth movement. When they get worn and loose, they can cause a general feeling of looseness and contribute to that unwanted bounce and sometimes even noises. Don't forget about damaged strut mounts. These are the bits that connect your struts to the car's chassis and help keep things quiet. When they wear out, you might experience a really harsh ride or clunking sounds, especially when you go over bumps and turns. And finally, something super simple that could cause a bouncy ride: improper tire inflation. Believe it or not, if your tires are overinflated, they won't absorb road imperfections as well, leading to a bouncier feel. So always make sure your tires are inflated to the recommended pressure. So why should you care about a smooth ride beyond just comfort? Well, a healthy suspension system is crucial for your safety, ensuring you have proper control of your vehicle. It also leads to even tire wear, saving you money in the long run, can improve your vehicle longevity by reducing stress on other parts, and let's be honest, it makes driving a lot more enjoyable. If you're tired of feeling like you're driving around a bouncy castle in Reading, Sagging Springs, Birdsboro, or Wyomissing, then it's time to pay us a visit here at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. Our experienced auto repair technicians can thoroughly inspect your suspension system, accurately diagnose the issue, and provide you with quality suspension repairs to bring back the smooth, comfortable ride that you deserve. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.